Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we discuss about important MCQs related to one paper, Federal Public Service Commission. In this paper, the most important parts are current affairs, English, Pak affairs, geography, maths, Islamiyat. In Islamiyat, the table contents are Islam, Prophet of Muhammad, peace be upon him, pedal of Islam, Salat, Zakat, Som, Hajj, Prophet of Islam, Al-Quran, Mu'mineen, companions of Prophet. Before starting the video tutorial, the motivational quote by Maulana Azad: climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to be the top of Mount Everest or the top of your career. Let's start. Who is the writer of the book of India Wins Freedom? किसने किताब लिखी थी इंडिया विंस फ्रीडम? इलामा इकबाल, अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद, चौधरी रहमत अली, जनरल अयूब खान, none of the above. The correct answer is Abul Kalam Azad. The Arabian Sea is also called as Sindhu Sagar, Arab Sandora, Erythraean Sea, Aksar Sea, all of them. The correct answer is all of them. Aksai chain is a disputed area between China and India, China and Pakistan, India and Pakistan, India and Nepal. The correct answer is China and India. Aksai chain is the one of the two large disputed border areas between India and China. इंडिया ये क्लेम करते थे कि अक्साई चेन जो है वो ईस्टर्न मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ लद्दाख, ठीक है, एंड चाइना क्लेम्स कर रहा है अक्साई चेन इज द पार्ट ऑफ द जिनजिंग ऑटोनमस रीजन एंड तिब्बत. Next, the International Narcotics Control Board INCB was established in which year? 1950, 1945, 1968, 1975. The correct answer is 1968. There are Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations: 15, 17, 12, 13. The correct answer is 17. Al-Ghazali was born in the year 1058, 1059, 1060, 1067. The correct answer is 1058. Which was the first country to legalize euthanasia? Physician assisted suicide means Netherlands, Germany, Switzerland, Brazil. The correct answer is Netherlands. Aegean Sea is located in between these two peninsulas: Arabian Peninsula and Iberian Peninsula, Iberian Peninsula and Balkan Peninsula, Balkan Peninsula and Anatolia Peninsula, Anatolia Peninsula and Iberian Peninsula. The correct answer is Balkan Peninsula and Anatolia Peninsula. Shock and Awe was the name of USA war engaged in Iraq. During which battle were tanks first employed? Battle of Trafalgar, Battle of the Somme, Battle of Waterloo, none of these. The correct answer is Battle of the Somme. Next, strait connecting the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov is Pal Strait, Cook Strait, Bosphorus Strait, Kerch Strait. The correct answer is Kerch Strait. Kerch Strait is 3.1 किलोमीटर to 15 किलोमीटर wide, चौड़ा है, and 18 meters deep, गहरा है. You may also see in this diagram. Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh was born on 10 June 1921. Prince Duke of Edinburgh died at age of 99 on April 2021. Philip. Important current affair MCQs. When Prince Philip, Queen Elizabeth, heirs husband and the longest serving consort of any British monarchy, has died at age 99. 5th April 2021, 7th April 2021, 9th April 2021, none of these. The correct answer is 9th April 2021. Prince ऊपर है when Prince Philip, Queen Elizabeth husband and the longest serving consort of any British monarchy has died at age of 99. The correct answer is 99. Which top US United States diplomat visited Gwadar after 15 years? Antony Blinken, Yuri Kim, Angela Aguilar, none of these. The correct answer is Angela Aguilar. Recently lost Golden City is found in which country? Most important MCQs. Lost Golden City, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Turkey. The correct answer is Egypt. Country who is ranked number 1 batsman in One Day International in April 2021. The correct answer is Babar Azam. International Days of Sport for Development and Peace is observed on. मुशाहिदा किया गया कि इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ स्पोर्ट डेवलपमेंट कब हुआ था? April 4, April 6, April 8, none of these. The correct answer is April 6. Shantir Ogroshina 2021 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, America. The correct answer is Bangladesh. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov arrives on official 2-day visit to Pakistan on. Current Affairs MCQs. Most important. April 5, 2021, April 6, 2021, April 7, 2021, April 8, 2021. The correct answer is April 6, 2021. Which of the following is not a formal international or regional organization? Quad, NAFTA, ASEAN, OIC. The correct answer is Quad. Quad is a grouping for democracies: Indian, Australia, US means United States, and Japan, known as the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or Quad, was first moted by Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in 2007. It has been recently revived. Which of the following is India 42 Ramsar site? TSO Kark, Lonar Lake, Sor Sarwar, Agra, none of the above. TSO Ladakh. TSO Kar Ladakh. TSO Kar Ladakh. Project MOSM is an initiative of the Department of Meteorology, Indian Space Research Organization, Ministry of Culture, Science and Technology. The correct answer is Ministry of Culture. World Water Day. Most important MCQs. World Water Day is celebrated every year March 22 to 2021. Theme is aptly titled. इसका टाइटल क्या था? Valuing water, conserve water sources, how safe is the world without clean and wholesome water, harvest water in each house. The correct answer is valuing water. पानी की कदर. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated Mitri Bridge on March 10, 2021. The Mitri Bridge connects, कहाँ से इसका connect है? India Myanmar, India Nepal, India Bangladesh, India Bhutan. The correct answer is India and Bangladesh. Mangala Mitri Bridge in Tripur South District. It will serve as a new trade corridor between the two countries. The name of the two countries are India and Bangladesh. Which country enacted a law to force digital giants such as Facebook and Google pay local publishers for new contents? The correct answer is Australia. Ritana Haram is the plantation drive of which state? Telangana. As on January 31st, 2021, which of the following renewable sources of energy has the highest installed capacity in India? Wind power, solar power, small hydropower, biomass power. The correct answer is solar power. Which international airport has become the world's first smart reading airport? Dubai. Important current affair MCQs कि वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट स्मार्ट रीडिंग एयरपोर्ट कौन सा है? दुबई. रिसेंटली विच कंट्री वॉज द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड कैपिटल फॉर द थर्ड स्ट्रेट ईयर 2020? न्यू दिल्ली, इंडिया. टोक्यो, जापान. बीजिंग, चाइना. नन ऑफ दीज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली, इंडिया. विच इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ नॉर्थ कोरिया? प्यूयिंग. हु इज़ द करंट प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ इजिप्ट? Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Dear colleagues and students, also important MCQs related to current affairs. Who is the current president of France? Emmanuel Macron. फ्रांस का कौन सा करंट प्रेसिडेंट है? मैक्रॉन. Uri. Uri is situated in Indian occupied Kashmir. Judge of the Supreme Court judge can be by filling reference in the Supreme Judicial Council. Bande Ali relation with Qaid-e-Azam brother. Jihad कब फर्ज हुआ था? In which हिजरी? 2 हिजरी. ग़ज़वे बदर कब जंग लड़ी गई थी? 2 हिजरी में. JECPOA was signed between which countries? Iran with P5+1 together with European Union. To study of wars in which the Holy Prophet participated is called Ghazwa. Ghazwa. When did Imam Bukhari died? 1st September 870 AD. Cuban Missile Crisis occurred in which year? 1962. Which Chief Election Commissioner of ECP? In some papers, ECP means Election Commissioner and conducted general election of 2018. Justice Sardar Mohammad Raza Khan. Justice Sardar Mohammad Raza Khan conducted general elections of 2018. Which of the following is the nearest planet to the Earth? Venus. PLO Palestine Liberation Organization. Head office is situated in which country? Ramallah, Palestine. बहुत important MCQs हैं. Many of times basic colors. Next MCQs, basic colors: red plus blue plus green. Countries in Quad East countries: US, Japan, India and Australia. In previous slide we discussed about Quad. Quad में 4 countries हैं. Quadrilateral जैसे होते हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट, जापान, इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Recent South China dispute judgment for which country favor? Philippines. Pakistan-China border treaty was signed in which year? 1963. What is the Great Red Spot? High pressure region in the atmosphere of Jupiter. Who is the writer of the book India Wins Freedom? Allama Iqbal, Abu Kalam Azad, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, General Ayub Khan. None of the above. The correct answer is Abul Kalam Azad. Which book was published after the death of Allama Iqbal? Most important MCQs: Bange Dara, Kulliyat Iqbal, Payam-e Mashriq, Armaghan-e Hijaz. None of the above. The correct answer is D. Armaghan-e Hijaz. Russia attacked Crimean Peninsula in the year 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The correct answer is 14. The sun always rise in the east because क्यों सन जो है वो राइज करता है ईस्ट में? क्योंकि अर्थ जो है वो रोटेट्स घूमती है फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. अर्थ रोटेट्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. What is full form of ROM? Read only memory. कोहाटा लेबॉर्ट्रीज. कोहाटा लेबॉर्ट्रीज कहाँ पे हैं? कोहाटा लेबॉर्ट्रीज एस्टेब्लिश 31 जुलाई 1976. फील्ड ऑफ रिसर्च इसमें nuclear technology, radiation science, laser technology, and its location is in Kohata, Rawalpindi district, Pakistan. Arbitrator Indus Basin Treaty, World Bank. Pakistan joined ILO, Liberation Organization, 1947. International. 58 MCQs. कैपिटल ऑफ सोमालिया. सोमालिया का कैपिटल कौन सा है? मोगदिशु. मोगदिशु. फर्स्ट पंजाबी पोइट इज बाबा फरीद. लेंथ ऑफ ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना 2400 किलोमीटर. हना लेक इज located near Quetta, Multan, Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad. The correct answer is Quetta. Which one out of the following is renowned biographer of Holy Prophet? The correct answer is Michael H. Hart. Michael H. Hart, Prophet Muhammad was the supremely successful both for religious and secularism. Which city of Pakistan is called the शहबानों का शहर? कहनार, सरगोदा, Peshawar, Multan. The correct answer is Sargodha, known as the city of eagles. A downturn in the business cycle in which there is a sustained high level of unemployment called depression, impression, both, none. The correct answer is depression. This MCQ is related to English. In English portion, most time analogies, synonyms, active and passive verbs, direct and indirect narration. What was the kunyat of Hazrat Abu Bakr? General knowledge MCQs कि हज़रत अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु की कुनियत क्या है? अबू हमज़ा, अबू अब्दुल्ला, अबू जाफ़र, अबू सुफ़ियामा, none. The correct answer is Abu Abdullah. Which area of Pakistan has the biggest deposit of copper? Muslim Park, Sui, Jung, Chagi, none of the above. The correct answer is Chagi. Chagi district of Balochistan है. Rikodik is a larger copper and gold deposit containing 12.3 million tons of copper and 20.9 million ounces of gold. Repast is most similar to meal, which was the first public airline of Pakistan. Important MCQs. Confused in two parts में हो जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के ओरिएंटल एयरलाइन या ओरिएंट एयरलाइन. ओरिएंटल एयरलाइन और ओरिएंट एयरलाइन always nationalized to form the Pakistan International Airline Corporation PIAC. The correct answer is Orient Airline. Where all rivers of Punjab enter into Indus River? Karachi, Multan, Kabirwala, Okara, Mithankot. The correct answer is Mithankot. Next, last but not least, Tut oil field is located in Punjab. The correct answer is Punjab. The Tut oil field is in the Pothohar plateau of northern Pakistan, approximately 135 km southwest of the capital city of Islamabad. और ये फील्ड डिस्कवर्ड हुई थी इन 1960s में हुई थी. I hope so you understand all the MCQs, most important MCQs and most repeated MCQs in the Federal Public Service Commission and in FIA paper, inspector, sub-inspectors papers. Any query, any question you may ask in the section box. One of my suggestion is that read down newspaper regularly, because antonyms and synonyms, active and passive voice and direct narration, पेपर आपसे वहीं से कवर हो जाएगा, इंग्लिश का स्पेशली, क्योंकि इंग्लिश हमेशा प्रपोजिशंस उसमें आती हैं, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर मेकिंग आता है, और समटाइम्स जो है वो सेंटेंस दे देते हैं कि इसमें से आप प्रपोजिशन बताएं. Thank you so much.